Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video marks the beginning of a new course completely free of cost, exclusively on the concept and application of price action trading. The course is designed in an orderly manner from the very basic to the advanced level as we move up the ladder. I have accumulated a good chunk of the information from some of the best trading books, trading blogs, paid courses of some of the famous professional traders, and a few relevant online sites. Also, I have taken a lot of effort to explain each concept in a way that even newbie traders can understand without much difficulty. So, I heartily welcome every aspiring trader to take a ride with me throughout this course. So, let's get started. At the heart and soul of it, the stock market is all about buying and selling, demand and supply. Sometimes we buy a stock and sometimes we sell one. But just by buying and selling based on our instincts will not do any good for our trading account. Chances are we end up in losses, and a worst case scenario, we blow up our trading account. That is why almost all the traders try to find an edge in the market to remain profitable. Depending on the type of trader you are, you can choose between technical analysis, fundamental analysis, quantitative analysis, and finally, price action analysis. The technical analysis primarily involves using different categories of indicators to predict the future price movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, relies on the fundamentals of the stock or the company, primarily focusing on the financials, earnings, etc. to make a trade decision. Similarly, quantitative analysis utilizes the use of statistical tools to analyze the market data. But if you talk about technical analysis in particular, which is followed by majority of traders, the interesting thing that can be identified is that the indicators used for the analysis are derived from some of the fundamental inputs of the market, namely the price and the volume. Think about it for a while. Which is better, a fruit from our own home farm or one with a heavy pesticide usage? The former may not be very good looking and won't stay fresh for many days, but it's healthy, while the latter may look appealing to the eyes and stays fresh longer, but it's not even remotely good for our health. Likewise, too many indicators for our trading is not very good for our trading account. This is because the indicators are a result of so many intermediate processing of the basic price and volume, so that the pure behavior of price and volume are lost. And at the end of the day, you make your own conclusion without listening to what the market has to say. I'm not in any way concluding that technical analysis is not good or that the indicators are retarded. Instead, what we have to understand is that we have with us a gold mine by the name of price, which, if studied properly, can help us identify what the market is doing. This study of price and its behavior is known as price action. So unlike indicators, fundamentals, or algorithm, price action tells you what the market is doing and not what you think the market should do. The price action focuses mainly on the recent and current prices. It is also dependent on the overall market trend and finally on the price structure of the market. We will talk about each one of them in our upcoming episodes. Now, price action is not the holy grail or the mantra for ultimate success in stock markets, because trading is mostly about your psychology and implementation, and not about a single special strategy. The goal for most traders is to maximize the trading profits through a style that is compatible with their personalities. Without that compatibility, I believe that it's virtually impossible to trade profitably for a long term. But if you devote a good amount of time to learning price action trading, you'll trade with cleaner charts without hell lot of indicators. You'll also be able to pinpoint your trade entries and exits with better precision. Now that's episode 1 for you. It was just an introduction to price action. So if you have learned something new, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes. I'll see you guys with the second episode soon. Till then, see ya.